Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, the vlog. Today I am going to be organizing my brother's closet and I'm gonna bring y'all along. This should be interesting. Yeah, we about to just, I guess, clean it up, organize it. Are we getting rid of stuff?
We can.
Okay, so we getting rid of stuff. Basically, just follow along, y'all. It should be interesting. We got a male perspective on the channel. Basically, are these? We not going through these, right? Okay. So basically, this is what we're working with. As you can see, there is clothes literally everywhere. But this is the before. Stay tuned for the during and the after. Bro, can you go get me the step stool? I'm struggling over there. I am really anal when it comes to hangers. I hate when people have hangers like this.
What you mean?
All different kinds of hangers. Brown, white, hangers from the cleaning.
I mean, when you get hangers passed down, what can you really do?
Okay, for all my people out there, when you organize or decide to clean your closet, invest in hangers. It'll change your life. I'm serious. Best thing for you. Okay? When you get a chance. $30. You'll be good. But anyways, gonna have to do with what I got. How do you go in your closet? Do you go right to left or left to right?
Left to right.
I usually go in my closet left to right as well. So when you hang up your clothes, that means that you're gonna face them this way. Now you thinking that you go right to left. I knew you go right to left.
No,
You go this way. You start this way.
No.
You go that way?
Yes, like I look, like my shirt is like don't. They're looking this way.
Gee, all your clothes was just facing that way. Okay.
Well,
Anyways, he said that he goes left to right. So we're gonna face his clothes this way because he reads them that way. Also, color coordination is a big thing as well. But we'll get to that. You want to keep the hanger facing the same way the whole way through. This one, I can wear this around now.
Yes, that one has a snake.
Anything my brother don't be wanting, I am the Goodwill, okay? Donate to me. So far how I did his shorts is I did like jogger type shorts, left to right going jogger denim and like more dressy. So these is like more dressy because of the material, the color, more casual. This is like less chill and more like if you want to throw a fit together type. Versus something like this, which is what you would just wear around the house. Okay, so basically we have all of his in the house t-shirts, shorts from dressy to casual on to all basketball shorts, and then underwear and tank tops in that corner there. Then down here I kind of did joggers onto jeans. My brother don't have that many jeans because he really don't wear jeans like that. Onto t-shirts, which I still have to organize. Going to dressy, sweaters, hoodies, and then lastly the jackets. But now I have to basically, now that I got everything in there that we are keeping, have to color coordinate everything so it can look a little bit more neater. So that's what I'm about to do now. But as you can see, all of his t-shirts are now folded. Shorts are now folded and more organized. Going across is just all basketball shorts. So yeah. Okay, y'all. So closet organizing complete. So let me just go over it real quick with y'all. How I basically did it was, you want your closet to be a one-stop shop. It's already confusing enough that, oh, I should probably have the camera on me. Okay, so what I was saying was, you want your closet to be a one-stop shop. It's already confusing and hard enough to pick out clothes because you probably have so many options to choose from. So that's why you want your closet to be organized, because you want to make it super simple and easy. So when you go in your closet, it's just like boom, boom, bam, when putting an outfit together, basically. So how I organized his closet was basically your main essential up until the very last detail of your outfit, and I'm gonna show you how I did that. Why is you staring at me?
Bro, I'm just looking for
Okay, so yeah, this is how it basically goes. My brother has his underwear in his closet. So his top shelf is basically underwear and tanks, basketball shorts, basketball shorts, basketball shorts, casual shorts onto denim. I had to put them in the same pile because he just has way too many basketball shorts. And then in that corner is all t-shirts that he would wear like in the house or to work. Then you go to the bottom. Okay, so basically these are like your essentials before you put on your real clothes or your in the house like chill options, except for the casual denim. So then you go to the bottom, and then at the bottom we have our joggers from gray to black. Then my brother doesn't really wear that many jeans, so after his joggers, there's like more casual joggers with a different type of material versus just the regular cotton joggers. And then we move on to like denim like joggers, denim jeans, onto all black jeans. Then we have some overalls here. Moving on to tees right here. So his tees basically stop right here. I tried to kind of color coordinate them. You have his whites, his grays, his beige, greens, blues, and then blacks. If you know the color wheel, it goes red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, black, and so forth. Then after the tees, we have his jerseys from short sleeve onto long sleeve. As you can see, after the jerseys, we move on to long tees, which he only has white and black, so that color coordinating wasn't too bad. Then we move to dress shirts from short sleeve to long. The dress shirts go into flannels because they are button downs as well. So those are color coordinated. And then from the flannels, we move on to your crew necks, which are also color coordinated of some sort, because he only has red, black, and gray. As you can see, those are his colors, majority in his closet. So basically, if he was to pick out an outfit, it would go bottoms, ranging from joggers, casual joggers to jeans, or tees, ranging from tees, jerseys, dress shirts, flannels, crew necks, hoodies, and then on back to jackets. So after his crew necks, we'll slide this over. Then we have his hoodies, which are also kind of somewhat color coordinated. His color scheme in his closet is very basic. You need to get out of the red, black, and white, son. But anyway, so we have some red, some neutral, one olive, a blue, and then all black here. Then moving on to white, grays. After his hoodies, we go into the jackets. So he has a black denim jacket, a bomber, hooded jacket, and these are just open jackets with buttons. Then after the jackets, we move on to the vest. And then after the vest, that's pretty much it. So that is his closet organizing. Y'all saw the before. Look at the cleanliness. Okay, you gotta look from afar. When you close, everything just looks jumbled together. We'll see how long this organization lasts, people. And those are all slacks, so don't pay attention to those. But yeah, as you can see, back then they didn't want them. Now they all on them, okay? We are nice and organized. From the bottoms all the way to the tops. There you have it, folks. Alright, there you have it, folks. This is Keeks. I'm heading out. You want to say anything to the vlog? How are you feeling about your closet? Gonna take a look?
It looks nice.
We can't hear you on the vlog.
I said it looks nice. You know, you got me right, bro.
You feel more organized.
For sure.
Do you feel like this is something you can keep up?
We shall see.
Alright, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out. Catch me on the next one.
Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.
Yes, make sure y'all do that.
Share.
But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit me up if you need your closet revamped.